Hey guys, today let's learn how to send money on Apple Pay. So if you want to go ahead and send money from your Apple Wallet or Apple Pay account onto another person, how to necessarily send money. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how. So please watch this video until the end to find out. Okay, so I want you to go ahead first and actually launch your iMessage application. So over here, I do have a quick screenshot to show you guys what I mean. Basically, if you want to go ahead and send money using your Apple Pay, you need to use your Apple Cash. Now, Apple Cash is available on most iOS devices, especially if you are on the latest update. So all we need to do from here is to basically go ahead and choose and rather start a new conversation, or you could also tap on an existing one. Then go ahead and tap on this icon right here, which is the Apple apps, or well, basically the features on iMessage. Next, of course, you need to tap on the Apple Cash icon, and that's going to be represented by this option right here. So once you tap on that, you can now go ahead and choose the desired amount that you wish to send to this person on iMessage, tap on send, and then confirm with your Face ID, your passcode, or Touch ID. And that's basically it, guys. As soon as you send this money to them, the same person who has the iMessage is going to receive the payment through their Apple Cash, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.